one of my friends called me crying that he has lost 15,000 euros in trading, which he thinks was a big mistake of his life. Why did you make this mistake? I'm Dr. Zulkifal. Let me explain you. Neuroscience behind mistakes and why it's okay sometimes to make mistakes. The prefrontal cortex, very important region of our brain, crucial for decision making, logical thinking, and impulse control, continues to develop until age 25. This area of the brain is responsible for higher order cognitive functions such as planning, risk assessment, and social intelligence. Its maturation allows individuals to weigh pros and cons effectively before making decisions. During adolescence and early adulthood, the prefrontal cortex is still forming connections with other brain regions that manage emotions and impulses. As a result, young people often exhibit impulsivity and may struggle with considering long-term consequences of their actions. This immaturity can lead to poor decision-making, highlighting why mistakes are a natural part of learning during this developmental phase. So, neuroscience research has shown that adolescents process decisions differently than adults. They tend to rely more on reward sensitivity and may have higher tolerance for uncertainty. These differences can lead to riskier behaviors as their brains are still developing necessary pathways for mature decision making. The interactions between prefrontal cortex and other brain regions during this time can amplify both impulsive actions and potential for learning from errors. So the prefrontal cortex late maturation means that young adults may not always make optimal decisions. However, through mistakes, they can learn valuable lessons that contribute to their cognitive development and future decision-making capabilities. So it's okay for the people until age 25 and late 20s to make mistakes. So your decision-making ability enhances for the late periods of the age. On the other side, for the adults, research indicates that making mistakes can significantly enhance learning. For instance, a study from John Hopkins University found that errors during learning tasks lead to increased brain activity in regions responsible for memory formation. This suggests that the brain uses mistakes as opportunities to strengthen memory encoding, allowing individuals to learn more effectively from their errors. When people make mistakes, they engage in self-reflection, which helps identify areas for improvement and develop strategies for future success. Mistakes encourage critical thinking and adaptability. So it's okay sometimes to make mistakes. Don't hate yourself for making mistakes. We are humans. We have come so far in our intelligence, cognitive abilities, decision-making abilities, and as a whole, human development by making mistakes and learning from them. So love yourself and take mistakes as an opportunity to grow.